Now you can see these are, as we have already done, we will talk about the functions. So this phosphatidylcholine, what is the function? I told you it is always in the outer membrane. Only this is in outer membrane, all are inside in the inner membrane. So this, what is the function of this phosphatidylcholine? This is a very important function in addition to membrane, part of membrane. It has very important function as lung surfactant. You can see phosphatidylcholine. So which phosphatidylcholine? The phosphatidylcholine where this is phosphatidylcholine where both places palmitic acid is there. Palmitic means 16 carbon fatty acid. 16 carbon fatty acids. This palmitic acid is there. So 2-palmit, that is why this is called dipalmitoyl phosphatidylcholine. In short, you can remember DPPC. So this is a very important molecule. You will be taught in physiology also by Dr. Dev. So remember, by Dr. Dev, when he talks about, when he talk of in this respiratory system, he will talk about this lung surfactant. There also he will discuss, but I'm going to talk in depth of this molecule. So you already know many things about the depth of this molecule. This is the same molecule. Here you can see. This is the same molecule. This is palmitic acid, this is palmitic acid, and this is choline. This is dipalmitoyl choline. DPPC. Now, second molecule, ethanolamine. It has no additional function. It is part of inner leaflet of plasma membrane. Now, this third has a specific function. In addition to being in part of inner leaflet, it also has function as apoptosis. It has very important function in apoptosis. So, now this phosphatidyl inositol. So present in inner leaflet, this is okay. The additional function is as second messenger. Very important. Second messenger in signal transduction. Have you studied smooth muscle contraction?
Yes.
Yes. In smooth muscle contraction, this helps. This inositol helps. We will talk in detail about this apoptosis, and this we will talk. And lung surfactant also. So here, this is part of inner mitochondrial membrane. This phosphatidyl, actually diphosphatidylglycerol. This support electron transport chain. So we will not talk in detail about this, just we are talking here only. So function of this cardiolipin, diphosphatidylglycerol is to support electron transport chain in inner mitochondrial membrane.